Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to divide in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So to divide a number by a number or cell by cell, we use a simple arithmetic operation. We write the equal sign, type a number or select a cell, then type the division sign, and this is the forward slash. This button is usually located at the bottom right of the keyboard. Now we type a number or a cell and press enter. That's how we divided the number by the number. But since we most often work with large tables, let's look at an example of dividing one column into another column. Here we have two columns. Let's divide the first one into the second one. Select an empty cell, type the equal sign, then the first cell, the division sign, and the second cell. We press enter, and since we need the result of dividing the column by column, we drag the fill marker down and thereby find the result of division in other cells. Another common case of division is dividing one column or range by a cell. We type the equal sign, select the first cell from the column, the division sign, and now the cell with the number. Press enter and drag the formula down. As you can see now, everything didn't go exactly according to plan. In the first cell the division was successful, but in the cells below we got an error. Division by 0 is prohibited. To change this, we need to fix a cell with a certain number in the formula. We do this using the F4 button. Place the cursor at the end or middle of the cell coordinates and press the F4 key. Dollar signs have appeared, which means the cell is fixed. Press enter and drag the formula down. Now the division of the column by a number has occurred correctly. And if you want to divide the column by a number a little faster, then copy the number in the cell, select the column or range, select Paste Special, and in the window that opens, select the Divide option and click OK. The division is completed. Finally, if you need to divide only specific numbers in a column, for example every second cell in the column, then add an additional column with the numbers 1 and 2. Next, we type the formula. If the cell value in the first column is 2, then divide the value of the neighboring cell by the value of a specific cell. And we fix this cell with the F4 button. And in the third argument we leave empty quotation marks. Press enter and every second cell is divided. In general, the formula keeps track of the value in the first column, and if the logical condition is met, the formula performs division. And if text is used in the additional column, then it should be enclosed in quotation marks in the formula and everything will work great. And that's it. Now we know more.